Hi everybody, my name is Adrian Richard and I'm 41 years old. I came to Glomac to do my SMART FUE Hair Transplant. This is me 2 weeks ago on the front, the side view and the back. And after 2 weeks, this is my result. If you can see, the hair has grown back, and I'm very confident with the consultation and the work that Dr. Jas has done for me, because he's the only fellow in Malaysia certified by ABHRS. So far the journey has been good, has been compelling, and I'm very happy with the results. Thank you.